This problem deals with an inequality. We're asked to determine whether the point -4, -10 is a solution of the inequality 3y minus 2x is less than -2. In order for the point to be a solution of the inequality, we need to substitute -4 for x, -10 for y, and determine whether that makes a true inequality. So we write the inequality 3y minus 2x is less than -2, and we substitute -10 for y. This gives us 3 times -10, and then we substitute -4 for x. And we're asking ourselves, is that less than -2? While doing the calculations on the left side, we have -30 minus -8, which is the same thing as -30 plus 8, which is -22. So we ask ourselves, is -22 less than -2? It is less than -2. It's a true inequality. So we know that this point is a solution of the inequality, and we can write that it is a solution. Or maybe to make it more clear, yes, it is a solution.